Hey, this is the one and only storyteller coming to you at a happy and sad moment. The Mustang, as you see it here, is sold. The owner just paid me for it, and he is coming to pick it up. It is gone. It's history. Hate to see it go, but it's been a chore. It's been fun, just not a lot of fun. So yeah, the video ends on this one. The Mustang starts tomorrow. I'm going to drag it right up the side of that tree, side of that wagon right there, or trailer, and that's going to be it. That's our next project we're going to start on. Appreciate y'all staying with me. I hope you've watched this long. It was a bugger. It was a booger. So I appreciate everything. I hope you find this satisfactory. The new owner loved the car. He fell in love with it. He bought it without even driving it. So that's a testimony to how good the car is. Most people don't give $4,500 for a car that they hadn't driven. But consider the condition of the car. Ain't a dent on it, ain't a scratch on it, a couple of chip marks. The car is in immaculate shape. You can't find a better 2003 Mustang nowhere. It's been fun. Like I said, I don't know what to say really. He'd come by several times wanting the car. I kind of thought that he was kind of full of it. I really didn't think he was going to come after it, to be honest with you. My wife told me this morning if I really wanted it, just to go ahead and keep it. And I said, no, I priced it to him. If he decides not to take it, then I might consider it, but I got other projects, other things. Being on YouTube, I guess it's time to go out and buy at least 2 more projects. You need at least 3 or 4 projects going, so I'm down to 2 projects. So I need to go get another project. Don't y'all think? Yeah, I'm kind of carrying the mask around with me. Nobody's out here with me at the moment, so gotta do the safety thing. Better safe than sorry, as old people say. I hope he enjoys the car. Personally, I hope I never see it again. Hope it goes away and stays away. Not that it's a bad car. Not that it's giving me any trouble or being any kind of trouble. It's just been a really tough, really hard to do job. So I'm just gonna wish it farewell. I hope it has an enjoyable life. It's been a hard life with me. I only drove it about 5 miles up the road. So that's how long I've driven it. So that's about as much as I wanted to drive it. I really didn't want to drive it any more than that. So it's kind of ready to go. On to the next project. 1970 Mustang Mach 1, 4-wheel disc brakes, 302 4-barrel automatic. So we're gonna start on it next. Got to order a set of rods, not a set of rods, but a set of pistons for it, and that'll be the remaining parts. And I'll be heading to Louisiana to get the machine shop to put it together, and that'll be the next project. That'll be the next thing to do. So I appreciate y'all stopping by. Appreciate everything. One last look at the old car. Like I said, I don't think you'll find anything better than that right there. Like I said, no dents. Just a few chips on the hood here and there. Other than that, it's just it's a little chip right there. Little chip in the door over here. And I'll be honest with you folks, that's it. There ain't another scratch, another dent, another anything on the car. That's how good a car this is. Like I said, the neighbor bought it brand new. It stayed in storage for, I don't know, 6 or 7 years, depending on how you count it. So it's been a job. You know, it came out of storage for about 6 months. The other guy, like I said, ran it till it got so hot it quit running. Had to have new heads, new intake, several other things I had to have. But it's over now. It's finished now. So, you know, we're just going to do what we're going to need to do. Move on to the next project. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for staying this long. And hit that like button. Subscribe. Tell your friends. Leave a message. Make sure it's positive if you can. If it's negative, just leave a positive comment last. This is the one and only storyteller. See you.